These are the seasoning that I will be using. Lemon and pepper, jerk seasoning, sea salt, and black pepper, McCormick black pepper. And I'll be using some raw oak, 100% natural hickory smoked chips. So the first thing I want to do, I want to combine the lemon and pepper, the jerk seasoning, the sea salt, and the black pepper into this. Just a regular cup. You don't have to use a cup, just whatever you can use to mix it all together and give it a nice good mix there. So mix all your seasoning. Here's my steaks. So next I'm gonna apply a light amount of seasoning to each pork stick here, just like so. We don't want to overdo it here. Just a small juice amount of steak. So then we're gonna move over here. We're gonna grab another one. That's a beauty. And that one is a beauty. We're gonna grab another one here. Place it on our tray. And we're gonna do the same exact thing. But what I didn't mention is that I already have my smoker going, heating up. And I will show you that here in just a second. So let's apply some good mixture here on the steaks. We're gonna take them and we're gonna flip them. Again, we want to coat both sides, just like so. Again, the seasoning that I use is lemon pepper, jerk seasoning, Heinz sea salt, and McCormick black pepper. And I'm smoking it using raw oak, 100% natural hickory chips. Pit Boss upright smoker. And yes, it's heating up. My water tray is in there. Here's my racks. It's heating up. You can actually see some of the smoke just a little bit. So now I'm gonna load my steaks. Okay, here are my steaks. We're gonna load them up. And we're gonna start with our top rack. Just like that. I kind of like try to put like a little space in between them to keep the air circulating. Then I actually slide this out a little bit to get the big boys. That's my temperature where I'm at the moment. Check my heat as often as I need to. See, all my steaks are loaded. Here's my thermometer. Just place this in. And we're gonna close the door. And we're gonna lock it. Next step, just let it do its thing. Okay, we're about 20-30 minutes into the cooking process. Let's just open this up and have a look and see how she's doing. Oh yeah. Look, come along just straight. Look at that. Doesn't it look wonderful? So that's about 30-40 minutes in. And I'm gonna cook these about 245, 250 for about another about an hour, 15 minutes or so. And we'll remove them.